Okay, there's the mic. And the hurricane's already been hitting the first video on it, man. We have Jake over there. We haven't seen. I think y'all haven't seen Jake. Come here. He's a smart dog. He's a cute one. He's just eating. Very loud. But man, we've had like a whole bunch of tornado warnings. Like everywhere's flooded. I think over here is the only safe place where we can't get flooded, unless if like the rooftop, that like the door on there gets water in there, like a whole bunch, so that it just starts leaking through the roof and starts breaking this. That'll be the only problem. That'll be like the only problem then. We have thin spots on here, like over where my mom's house is, and a whole bunch more. Like if that breaks, then the whole house could get eventually flooded, and we're gonna lose all this. So I'm just making a video. It's my first video on this hurricane, and it's like one of those videos where like you're almost in desperate need, and it's just like it's hard. We keep on watching. We're watching the news to try and see where we are in the storm, and kind of low on food, and we still need to hit more breathers. I saw like the eye near us, but that's just gonna get worse. And this is like the number one hurricane right now, I think, but it will be a tropical storm. I don't know. There was tornadoes all around the place. Jake. Still trying to get his attention. But also, if you want me to do a video with Jake, I will. And also, I think I have a video with him. But dang, I'm not even gonna post that, probably. Well, it was like these two puppies. It was like a long time ago. And I know I'm introducing Jake in such a horrible time. Jake, look at the camera. Look at him. Look. Look, boy. Look. He's a cute dog. He's a hunting dog, so he naturally knows how to swim and all that. He's a good dog. Like scratch on the belly, and he excited piece. So I should do a Jake with you, a video with you, Jake. Should we? Bark. Yep, he said yeah. Hopefully I can get this up. I'm gonna get this up. Like get the video with Jake up after the while I'm gonna record it after the hurricane. He wants me to sit down. When he's biting, he wants us to sit down so he can lay on us. He likes us. He's a very friendly dog, and if someone's attacking him or checking, or the people actually feed him and all that, then he'll help. He's a very cute dog. Can't blame him for that. He has mixed eyes. He's a keeper. And he's biting the wall. Wow. 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 And yes, this video quality is very dumb. But, oh, there we go. And, stop, Jake. Look, you're cute. He's very clumsy. Stop. He's like a normal dog. can bark. He knows a little bit. He knows some tricks. Like he knows how to stay. He knows how to sit. He knows how to come. He knows how to find people in other rooms. Hey. But all we have to worry now, after the hurricane, is the damage and the mosquitoes. Hey! Stop! Stop! I've been in hurricanes before, but not like this. I'm sure I've been in like Ike or Allison when I was 2. Stop. Jake, no! No. Bad. Stop. Stop biting. Stop. He's pretty stubborn. Hey, stop. Yes, I am on a Tinkerbell, whatever. Sorry, boy. We can't go out. Or else we're gonna get wet. What do you keep on making? It's just other cars. People aren't really supposed to be driving out here. But nonetheless, they are. It's probably those people that we saw on the bridge. No, not you, but me and my dad. We saw a whole bunch of people on like a bridge and all that. It was just hectic. Hopefully, this will get out to YouTube. And if anything happens to us, this will be the reminder. If you're watching, please send help. Seriously though, send help. Oh yeah, but I've been thinking on naming you guys, or you people out there. Animals? Nah. Squirrel Squad? Maybe. Squirrel Squad. I know this channel won't really get popular, but if I get 1 subscriber, please share this, like this, and yeah. I'll try and upload whenever I can. Oh my god. I got some YouTube editor and YouTube Studio and all that. It's a good app for Android, I think. I think it's on Android. I don't know. But I want to do gaming. That's what I want to do because I'm very passionate about gaming. Well, I gotta attend to Jake and I can't leave my phone. I can't leave my phone because it's charging. Literally, it's at 17%. So, bye.